Hello fellow van lifers, really, but my name is Joshua. This is Knox Studios. Currently here at Horsetooth Reservoir in Fort Collins with Kiwi and this van over here. My sister and Sunshine are kind of hanging out, getting things cleaned up and organized. Did a little bit of wipe down, but the spot is absolutely gorgeous. We're at North Larimer County, I think, or West Larimer County, right up against the mountains. And to this video today, I just wanted to go over our experience with van life and this 3-day excursion, the shortcomings, the highs, the lows, and hopefully give you a better understanding of what to do, what not to do when planning your van life rental versus what van life is, and little shortcomings that you may find while doing your very first van life experience. So a lot of people talk about it, but haven't actually done it. So I did bring my drone, battery issues, location issues, finding places to park issues, things that liked and did not like about this van, and overall what the experience is like in Colorado. So it's been a good version, but I hope you enjoy the video. I don't know how many of these I can really put together with how much I was able to film and so forth, but I can definitely talk with now experience about what this has been like for those that want to do something similar. This van is a Ram 1500. It does have a nice roof rack with access by a ladder here on the side. Has a bed up in the front. Has a Yeti cooler, not a fridge. Has really nice off-wheel roads and blacked out windows with opening windows and a fan on top. Overall though, we have had a lot of shortcomings on this trip, only for the sakes of, like, we have 2 people and 2 dogs in the one bed, trying to do half in town, a little bit out of town, mixing in visitations and so forth, all within a rental of, we did from July 9th till today, July 12th. So we have to drop it off at 11 a.m. and we didn't end up picking it up till like after 6 or 7 even on the 9th. And when you're paying what these rates are for every day, maximizing that time is critical. We have not used the toilet amenities we didn't want to have to deal with the black water, where most of the places we have had restrooms anyway, where we pull off, and there's no refrigerator, so the Yeti cooler, having to get ice constantly and deal with that is also something where it's been a difficult. We went into a Costco and a Walmart, neither of which had ice. I ended up having to go to 2 different gas stations just to find ice up in Wellington yesterday. So these are other things that hold you back. He does have a solar panel on here and accessory lights, and I can't figure out how those things work. But the main thing with this van also was the fact that there was no step-ups into the van or out of the van, and when it's only like one bed and all these belongings and clothes and whatnot, it's just everything's everywhere, and it made it really difficult getting in and out of the van. So you can go over a little bit more, but for now I'll show you a little bit of the trip. First night we went up to Boulder. Boulder, we were able to make it up there right before sunset. Got some really cool things, but without knowing the area very well, we went straight up Boulder Canyon, ended up taking these monstrous climb to get up here. This is the backside of Gross Reservoir. Really good van life hotspot for paddle boarding. And so we did that for a good amount of time. The first day though, when this trail skinny too much, this thing's not equipped with four-wheel drive, so we were advised not to take it off-road. We opted to stay at the trailhead instead of drive all the way down to the river's edge and hike down in the morning. So we did that. Found a lot of paddleboarders and a lot more people with access to it. There's a waterfall and some little features and so forth going down there. I really like the path and the rocks, and everything was great. But the water level was super low. You're not able to swim in the water. My batteries were dead because this van doesn't have any reserve power for charging. We weren't able to keep everything going, especially with the navigation and everything, even between both of our phones. So when it comes to using and doing van life, like having a solid plan prior to knowledge of what and where you're going would be paramount. At minimum, a reservation so that you know like the spot that you're going to be going to. Pretty cool. Just rained. But base of the canyon in Boulder, Colorado. Des is out on a walk with Adam, and I'm just staying close enough to the van, keep my eye on it, and watch the dogs. It's been gorgeous out here. It's finally nice to get a little bit of rain.
Sunset on Lake Loveland.
How we shower in van life.
Oh my gosh. Oh, that was priceless. Your silhouette is pretty amazing right now. Oh my gosh.
Loveland. We got water fueling up, stealing it from the neighbors. This is supposed to be ours. What did you do? Tell the video.
We'll break the law on my birthday. Why not?